Al Davis is dead. The longtime Raiders owner/dictator passed away in October, leaving his son Mark Davis in charge. Now, no one knows for sure whether Mark Davis knows anything about football, but he did hire a football man to oversee things, bringing Reggie McKenzie over from the Green Bay Packers. First thing McKenzie did was fire the existing coaching staff and hire Dennis Allen, who was defensive coordinator for the Denver Broncos, as the new head coach. It's no secret why McKenzie did this. Order number one in fixing the Oakland Raiders has to be fixing a defense that was dreadful last year, 29th in the league in total defense, 29th in scoring defense, 27th in rushing and passing defense. There simply was no bright spot for this Oakland Raiders defense, so they made some change, got rid of some guys, brought a couple of guys in, including cornerback Ron Bartell, and brought in Dennis Allen to fix this thing. Now, they do have pieces on offense. They acquired Carson Palmer last year from the Cincinnati Bengals. Palmer may be on the downside of his career, but he's still got a good arm, can still throw the ball, as he showed last year. They got a couple of good wide receivers, good young wide receivers, and Darius Hayward-Bay and Denarius Moore, and an excellent young running back in Darren McFadden. I guess McFadden for a running back is not that young anymore, but it feels like he just hasn't yet gotten going in his NFL career, just always beset by injuries and such. Well, maybe that'll be a chronic problem for him, maybe not. If McFadden can stay healthy, he has the chance to be one of the best running backs in the entire NFL. Now, the Raiders are going to be in a tough division this year. A lot of people sort of laugh at me for saying that, think the AFC West is going to be weak because 8-8 won the division last year. Oakland, by the way, was 8-8, but they lost out due to the tiebreakers. However, I think it's going to be a sneaky tough division. Denver with Peyton Manning is going to be better than people think. They have an up-and-coming defense. And the San Diego Chargers, I think, are a real surprise team. Watch out for the Chargers. A lot of people are sleeping on them after they had a down year last year. This is a team that was one of the favorites in the AFC a couple of years ago. So Oakland will have a tough road in the AFC West, I believe, but they could surprise some people. In terms of the Super Bowl, 60-1 out in Vegas right now on the Raiders to win the Super Bowl, 96-1 on BetDAQ. Those are good numbers. I mean, yeah, it's a long shot, the Oakland Raiders winning the Super Bowl, but, 96-1. Stranger things have happened than this Oakland Raiders bunch coming together and winning the Super Bowl. Of course, to do that, they need drastic improvement on the defensive side of the ball. We'll see if Dennis Allen and the new coaches can help make that improvement.